About this item: heavy checkmark with complete accessories, includes 2 hydraulic 1/4x45 hoses, 4 hydraulic 1/4 90-degree swivel elbow fitting, 2 hydraulic 1/4 ball style quick coupler. Heavy checkmark. High compatibility, replacement kit compatible with Meyer E47 pump unit of snow plows, 130-4245, 130-4240. Heavy checkmark. High quality surface treatment, more durable and will not rust. Heavy checkmark. Longer life, high quality metal, excellent compression resistance, more solid, fine grinding, new technology, not easy to damage, 100% brand new. Heavy checkmark. Excellent after sales service. If you have any issues with the product, please contact by Amazon for troubleshooting help, replacement or refund. Our aim is to make you satisfy the product and the service we provide. See more product details in